Are you ready to discover the ultimate tools that will revolutionize your workflow? Look no further. In today's video, we're unveiling the 10 best customer favorite tools on AppSumo for November 2023. Delve into a world of tools with lifetime access and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Whether you're a marketer, developer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to streamline their tasks, we've got something special for you. Let's dive into the world of innovation and efficiency. Starting at number 1, WP Reset Theme Plan. WP Reset Theme Plan offers a comprehensive solution for managing WordPress sites with ease. It features quick installation, uninstallation, and recovery, allowing for resetting to default values or removing specific site parts. The plan supports seamless rebranding without coding, bulk installation of plugins and themes via collections, and automatic snapshots for easy rollbacks. Its emergency recovery script is invaluable for unexpected issues, and the dashboard centralizes control over client licenses, sites, and collections. Additionally, it ensures security with hidden license keys, even in non-white labeled settings. Ideal for both personal use and client management, WP Reset simplifies WordPress maintenance and development. Next up, number 2, NeuronWriter. NeuronWriter is an AI-powered tool designed to elevate SEO content creation. It assists in researching and understanding market trends, offering SERP analysis and insights on user intent. The tool facilitates creating and optimizing content in any language, with features like AI-driven writing assistance, advanced content outlines, and semantic SEO optimization using NLP. NeuronWriter ensures content uniqueness with a plagiarism checker, and enhances engagement through internal linking recommendations. It also includes content planning and task management features, plus Google Search Console integration for ongoing result monitoring. Available with lifetime access, NeuronWriter is a comprehensive solution for consistently creating high-ranking, engaging content. Taking the third spot, Reoon Email Verifier. Reoon Email Verifier offers a streamlined solution for bulk email verification, with over 99% accuracy. It provides both single and bulk email validation, efficiently cleaning up email lists without sending emails. The service can validate emails from major providers like Gmail, Yahoo, and Microsoft and detect soft bounces and temporary email addresses. It offers 2 types of credits: lifetime credits, which never expire, and daily credits, which renew daily. The system performs detailed checks, including MTA and SMTP validation, MX record validation, and individual inbox status detection. Additionally, it offers a WordPress plugin for form submissions, and API support for integration with other services. Number 4 is a game-changer, SiteGuru. SiteGuru offers a user-friendly SEO audit tool that is ideal for both beginners and experienced SEO consultants. It simplifies SEO by providing a comprehensive audit of your website, highlighting key areas for improvement with an actionable to-do list. The tool integrates with Google Search Console and Google Analytics, enabling efficient monitoring of SEO performance, including keyword ranking potentials, search result changes, and click-through rate optimization. SiteGuru's features include exporting reports to CSV, downloading Word reports, and accommodating unlimited users. This plan ensures lifetime access with the option to stack up to 10 codes, ensuring ongoing updates and insights for improved website rankings and traffic. And at number 5, PhotoKit Photo Editor. PhotoKit Photo Editor is a versatile online tool for enhancing images with ease. It offers a range of features, including advanced photo effects, background removal, image retouching, one-tap photo enhancement, and auto-perspective correction. Users can create artistic collages with creative templates, and perform basic edits like cropping, resizing, and rotating. Additionally, PhotoKit provides access to over 2.3 million photos, illustrations, and vector graphics. It's compatible with various operating systems like Mac, Windows, and Linux, and can be used on mobile and tablet devices. For bulk image processing, it includes functionalities like resizing, cropping, compressing, converting, watermarking, filtering, and renaming images. Making a switch at number 6, Switchy. Switchy is an advanced link engagement platform that transforms how you manage and track your social media links. It's more than just a link shortener. It allows customization of shared post appearances on social networks, including editing titles, descriptions, and images. Key features include adding retargeting pixels, UTMs, tags, geo-redirection, A/B testing, and deep links from over 150 integrated platforms. Switchy facilitates creating branded smart pages with a user-friendly builder, offering over 100 templates. It enhances marketing strategies with detailed analytics, link rotators, GDPR pop-ups, and 404 redirections. Ideal for various industries, Switchy is a comprehensive solution for optimizing link, engagement and boosting conversions. Lucky number 7 brings us to Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode. Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode is a dynamic plugin designed to create professional and engaging Coming Soon pages. It offers over 170 customizable themes tailored to various business niches. Users can easily add elements like progress bars, subscription forms, and Google Maps using a drag-and-drop builder. The integration with deposit photos and Unsplash provides access to a vast library of images, and the option for video backgrounds adds an extra flair. Unique features include generating secret links for previewing in progress sites, and selective display options for different site sections. The plugin also allows full rebranding without coding, and provides detailed dashboard insights, making it ideal for personal and agency use. Rolling out at number 8, TYKR. TYKR is an innovative stock investment tool designed to simplify and demystify the process of managing personal investments. It helps users reduce risk and outperform the market with minimal time commitment, requiring only about 15 minutes per week. TYKR offers guidance in identifying undervalued stocks, providing insights into why these stocks are potentially wise investments. The platform is user-friendly, with an easy-to-understand dashboard and layman's terms explanations, making stock investing accessible to beginners. TYKR boasts a 20-year history of proven annual returns, and consistently outperforms the S&P 500. Available for lifetime access, it includes all future feature updates, catering especially to new users. Number 9 is for the retail revolutionaries Vitepos. Vitepos is a comprehensive point-of-sale system designed for both local and online stores, offering seamless management of retail operations. It enables shop owners to handle customer management, cash drawers, orders, suppliers, products, invoices, and split payments efficiently. Vitepos supports multiple outlets and counters, and integrates with WooCommerce, allowing for easy management of both physical and online stores in one app. The system features multilingual support, barcode generation, customizable invoices, and a restaurant module with waiter, chef, cashier, and table management. Vitepos also includes offline sale capabilities, multiple tax calculations, and Stripe payment options, all within a user-friendly interface for a lifetime of use. Last but not least, number 10, MYFUNDBOX subscription billing. MYFUNDBOX subscription billing simplifies online billing for businesses, offering automated one-off and recurring subscription payments. It allows users to create custom payment links with customer details, local currency, and payment amounts. MYFUNDBOX integrates with Stripe, Molly, and GoCardless, facilitating borderless transactions in 135 currencies, and supporting various payment methods like SEPA Inkasso, Ideal, Klarna, and ACH. Features include webhooks, Zapier integration, customizable payment pages, GDPR compliance, and configurable email support, through platforms like SendGrid and MailChimp. The system supports multiple European local payments, offers personalized checkouts, and includes discounts and coupon functionalities. With no transaction fees, it's designed for expanding businesses handling international payments. And there you have it, folks. The November 2023 hot list of AppSumo customer favorites that are changing the game for businesses worldwide. Which tool will you be adding to your arsenal? Check out all the tools in the description below. Please drop a comment below, and don't forget to snag these deals on AppSumo before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success. Until next time.